Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hello, welcome. My name is Lorraine Moran. I make videos about beauty, fashion and some travel vlogs, and mainly just a bit of madness. Today's video is all about my new Louis Vuitton Palm Springs mini backpack. This little beauty.
Is it yourself, Louis?
It's just a mini review, first impressions, and also what fits into it. I'm not sure of the dimensions, but it is a Palm Springs mini backpack. This is the newer version of it. I know when it first came out a few years ago, I actually wanted to get it, but I wasn't too sure of it because I heard of some people were having problems. I know they were having problems with this little lip here was coming out over the zip in the older ones and it was getting stuck, but these newer ones, there is no zip stickiness, and this pocket here, although it's still quite hard to open, it's not as hard to open. You don't fit anything in there. I have lipstick in there, but it's not accessible. Yeah, so it is the Palm Springs mini. It's the miniest version of their backpacks, and it's the only one that it clips off, so you can wear it a few different ways. I have it as a crossbody shoulder bag, but it also comes with another one, so you can clip it like a regular backpack, or even you can clip this one here and this one there, and you can go across the way, so you can do a little bit of everything with it. They are sold out of it, but of course, me being me, I found a way around it. And they had it as the Louis Vuitton around the world thing design, customize it, so you can get stickers. You can see those ones are stickers all over it, but I didn't want to ruin this beautiful bag with loads of stickers, but I did really want it, so I got a sticker with just my initials, so you can see that says LM there, and that meant that this whole bag was made to order. That's the word. This whole bag was made to order, so you could you can add stickers or whatever, or I just wanted to keep it simple, but in order to get the bag I had to put a sticker on it, so I decided to just put my initials there so no one else can take it. And the nice thing about the around the world version is that on the inside it's red, and on the inside of the other ones it is brown, I believe. So this is cute, so it's red, and then I got my initials in red, so it's way nice. And it's really cool that you can say this was actually made for me. It did take a good few weeks. It took maybe a month, maybe 2 months. It did say up to 12 weeks, I believe, because I remember I was checking every single day to see where it was. I think it was 2 months. I got it just before we entered full lockdown here in Ireland. So he hasn't really had any outings. It's only this last while he went to TK Maxx, and then he appeared on my blog, but he's getting more outings now that the phases are opening up. Lockdown is slowly unlocking itself. Price wise, it is expensive. You know that it's Louis Vuitton. I think it's maybe 200 euros more expensive. The inside is red, so it's different. The inside is red. You can customize whatever you want, so I didn't mind spending I really wanted it. If I want it, I'll get it.
See it, I like it, I want it, I got it.
But at least I can say this was made especially for me. They're made to order. I'm going to show you how much fits inside it. Taller in the back. I had seen a few videos where people were putting water bottles in the back, so it does fit a regular water bottle, not the liter bottles, but you know, the regular whatever they are, 1.750 water bottle in the back, because I have a tall thing in the back that doesn't really fit in the front, but you can shove it into the back because it's a little bit higher in the back. Anyway, so the first part in the first little zip, it is great. Put whatever you don't want anyone to steal in there because it's really hard to get into. I just have a little Dior lipstick in there. This is like the non-pickpocketable section. There's just no zips in the back, it's just this. So the first thing I have in it is masks. I have like a plain black one, and then I have a little lips one that my aunt made. I'll leave a link to the pattern. She like done up this thing where like you can make your own mask pattern, so I'll leave that in the links below. I have my card holder. Because it's quite a small bag, I always use a card holder. All my bags are quite small anyway, so I always just have card holders. And this is my favorite one. Well, it's my only one from Saint Laurent Paris. It's hand sanitizer, and how everyone laughed at me when I was getting my little hand sanitizers years ago. I even have a YouTube video, very old, very cringe, don't watch it, about my little haul of hand sanitizers from Bath & Body Works, and everyone thought I was crazy because I'd walk around with hand sanitizer everywhere and they thought I was a neat, clean freak. But now look how times have changed and everyone's now like me. So this is my hand sanitizer. It is in a Bath & Body Works case. This is from Bath & Body Works, but I actually have like my own hand sanitizer in there. Like I bought like I bought like this big liter bottle of hand sanitizer because it's me, and now I fill them up with this, but it kind of smells like vanilla. It's nice. My pawpaw, always have pawpaw. Pawpaw is the best. If you don't have any, you need to get it. I have one in my bag. I have one in my work bag in my locker at work. The locker beside my bed is like a mini pawpaw shop. I have so many. I have them all different colors, but this is my favorite one. And I actually can't sleep without being pawpaw on my lips at night time. Weird, but true. I have a hairbrush. Never use it. Then I have a pen, but I don't think you should have a pen in your expensive bag, so that will be coming out. Then tissues. My cute little Minnie Mouse. Look how cute. Minnie Mouse door key. Key to my house. Then I have deodorant. Mitchum is my favorite. This one is fresh powder and it smells like baby powder. Then I have my AirPods. I had to put them in this case because like the AirPods case is so small. I'm not even going to take, oh I am going to take it out. Like, this is so small, you're never going to find this in your bag. So I had to put it in this. So at least I'll be looking for a big massive pair of lips in my bag, and that'll be my AirPods. Love them. And I have a little, ooh, sorry. Then I have a little thingamajig with chewing gum in it. And lastly, that fits in here, the oddest thing you'll see me pull out of a bag is my Nintendo Switch Lite. I have this in there because if I'm going in the car, I'm in the back of the car, I don't get like motion sickness, so I'll be the one like reading a book, watching Netflix sometimes in the car if I can keep the coverage going. But lately, since I get this, I've been playing this in the back of the car, my Nintendo Switch. Yep. That was all that fits in this bag, but like loads, you can shove loads in here. Oh, I lied, there is a little pocket in the back that you can put something in, but I don't. It's really durable. It's made out of the canvas, like it was in the rain. It's really durable, like it doesn't really scratch because it's made out of that canvas, so like you get your money's worth really. And yeah, it just makes every outfit kind of nice. You can wear anything and then like have your little Louis Vuitton bag and you look all put together and shit. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. I'm gonna start uploading once a week. I'm hoping to upload on a Sunday, but So there'll be new videos every Sunday. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've liked it and I hope you like it. And yeah, thank you. Bye.